Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to remove an extension in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know how to remove an extension in Google Chrome? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Chrome and not sure how to remove an extension in Google Chrome. So today I am going to show you how to remove an extension in Google Chrome. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Removing an extension in Google Chrome is quite simple and the process is very easy to do. First of all, open Google Chrome browser. Now click on Extension button at the top right side. Now click on Manage Extension. From here, you will be able to remove an extension. Click on Remove and confirm it. Your Chrome extension will be removed. There you go. If you wanted to know how to remove an extension in Google Chrome, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to leave a comment below, be sure to subscribe for more videos.